Welcome to Successfully at Home, where home life matters. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can stay abreast to all the videos. Let's jump right on in. Today, our jobs are coming from Progressive. So there are three positions. The first one is Customer Service Representative, where you will support customer inquiries and insurance policy needs by answering questions regarding coverage, rates, billing issues, and general policy reviews while offering additional products. The second position is Inbound Sales Representative, where you would share expertise of the Progressive products and services to the customers to ensure appropriate insurance coverage through benefits, selling, no cold calling. Lastly, is Claims Customer Service Representative, where you will care for the customers recently in accidents by demonstrating empathy while setting up new claim reports. So here are just a few qualifications. You need to have 2 years of post-secondary education or higher. Instead of the above, 2 years of relevant work experience. And for sales, you need to have property and casualty license. And if you're not already licensed, you will have an opportunity to gain that through training. All right, so bilingual positions are also available, so fluent in Spanish. Training starts June and July. Most schedules will include a weekend day and evening hours after completion of training. So here are the work from home office requirements: distraction free, dedicated workspace. You need to have a certain speed. You need to be physically connected to the router. You also need to have a surge protector and things of that nature. Let's look at the compensation. It's going to be between $16.85 to $19.65 an hour. You will get additional 10% when you work evenings or weekends. You will have performance-based rewards, and if you are hired for a bilingual role, you will get additional 25 cents an hour. And you also would get an additional incentive if you already have your property and casualty license. So here are just a few benefits here. We have 401k with dollar for dollar matching up to 6%, as well as medical, dental, vision, and things of that nature. So these are three positions today. All right, so I hope these jobs were helpful to you guys. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to apply, and tell me about some positions that you're looking for so that I can help you find some of these. Thank you so much for dropping in. Again, this is Successfully at Home, where home life matters, and I'll see you next time.